But welcome to all of you, your families, our teachers, and the rest of the body of our students to this very special assembly. Today we acknowledge and celebrate our HSC High Achievers of 2017. They have truly lived out their motto of flying high, achieving exceptional results across a range of subject areas. We celebrate both personal excellence as well as their outstanding collective effort that saw them lift together the overall HSC results to the best we have seen at Santa Sabina over the past 6 years.
So proud of the girls, of what they have achieved. They worked so hard to get to this point, and we just want to say thank you so much for all the teachers, what they've done for all our girls.
It's really nice to have everybody come together as a community to celebrate all of our hard work that we put in last year for the HSC.
Yeah, and it's really nice to see all the teachers who helped us so much during our HSC and thank them and let them know that it wouldn't have been possible without them.
Yeah.